Well, I've published all the Season 2 videos, and now, coincidentally, I'm all packed to get on the plane to start Season 3. You may ask, what's the plan for Season 3? Well, as you know, the boat has been laid up in Plymouth, England for the last winter, and now it's off to cruise more of the west country of England, then cross the English Channel, revisit our home port of Lorient, and then head south and explore the space between Lorient and Bordeaux. Then, after settling into Bordeaux for a little bit, we'll do the 4-day trip to Vigo, Spain, where the boat will be laid up for the next winter. It's advisable to subscribe to the channel because I'm not 100% sure when I'll be posting. Or if you get really desperate for Cyclops content, look me up on Instagram, JayManNYC. Also, this is a good time of year to put in requests. Do you want me to do an in-depth review on the heater? I know one topic I will be covering is sail shape. Armed with a PC program and a camera, I will be able to analyze precisely the Cyclops sail shape to try to find extra speed and achieve the polars. Also, I wanted to thank you for following me this season. It's a real pleasure. I don't do this for profit. I do it to share and really enjoy hearing from you and learning from you. Thanks again. Hope this season highlight video keeps you in the mood to sail and have your own adventures. See you on the water. Look forward to saying hi. I'll be quiet while we put up the spinnaker as our next sail. Okay, I'm not that great at being quiet, but I did notice I have a lot of room to improve next year, and I'm really excited about trying some of the techniques, specifically around the Code Zero and using the lazy sheet to keep it in the right position. Boy, I can't also wait to get that feeling when the boat rockets with its powerful sails. It's really fun for me to look back at all the firsts between Season 1 and Season 2. And what will the first be in Season 3? Well, my first overnight solo passage, and also planned is my first multi-day solo passage. These will be tough, but I'm quietly confident. I've done many multi-week passages as skipper on my last boat. But there'll be plenty to learn and plenty of adventures to share with my fans on YouTube. And maybe I'll do an episode in French. Peut-être un épisode en français.